Hi, I am Mrs. Sarkar from JHB Sardar Primary English School. Today I will discuss a lesson on geography maps for the student of Standard 6th. What should we learn? At the end of this lesson, we will learn to define the word map. We will know the essential components of a map. We will be able to explain the characteristics of different types of maps. We will learn about the different components and their usefulness. Let's warm up. What is the correct term used for the people who make maps? They are called cartographers. Now, what are maps? Maps are picture or representation of the earth's surface. They show how places are related to each other by distance, direction, and size. Map is a way of showing a part of the earth's surface on a flat piece of paper. In geography, maps are one of the most important tools. Researchers, cartographers, students, and many others can use them to examine the entire earth or a specific part of it. There are many different types of maps to show different type of information. Some of them are political maps, physical maps, thematic maps, topographic maps. Political maps showing cities, towns, villages, different countries and states of the world with their boundaries. They do not show physical feature. In such maps, a capital city is usually marked with a star within a circle. This type of maps may be black and white, or they may use colors to show different countries, states, cities, etc. Physical maps showing natural features of the earth such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. Physical maps show the natural features of the earth. They do not contain any man-made creature. In such kind of map, green color is used at lower elevation, orange or brown show higher elevation, and blue color indicates water bodies. Thematic maps can represent a variety of information, including things like climate, precipitation, vegetation, elevation, population, life expectancy, etc. Thematic maps are generally used when we are looking at a single piece of information. They are easy to understand. Topographic maps include contoured lines to show the shape and elevation of an area. Lines that are close together show steep terrain, and lines that are far apart show flat terrain. Geologists depend on topographic maps to record the types of rocks. Engineers use topographic maps when they are planning roads, buildings, or other human-made structures. Let us know the components of a map. Components of a map are as title, what the map is about, compass rose means direction, symbols means conventional signs, legend or keys, color highlights important or different information to help the interpreter of the map. Scales shows the proportion of map to the real life. Grid reference, intersecting lines to help in locating specific place on the maps. with some pictures. Those 7 components. Here the picture of direction. Second picture is the conventional sign. Legend key. A legend key or key list and explain the symbol and use of color on the map. Normally, they are shown on the lower part of a map. Scale. The scale is used to indicate distance on the map. A certain measurement on the map will equal a certain measurement on the Earth's surface. The most common type of scale is a bar scale. Grid reference means the intersecting lines. Grid reference help us to locate any specific place of the Earth and their real location on the Earth's surface. Let's conclude our lesson by saying that maps are very useful and important to us because to understand roads and subways at new places, to calculate distance between two places, to know whether there are 2 or more paths to the same place and which is the shortest. We can get information about mountains, rivers, valleys or any other things which may come on the way and we can prepare for that. We can get the information like height of the place or ups and downs on the road, boundaries of the land to define ownership, places like houses, farmhouses, mines can be shown on the map. We can also mark crops, weather reports, direction of wind, rainfall on the maps. Government needs the map to keep the record of the owners. Thank you.